It's your boy PFS Tip at Deep South Trading LLC. I worked last night. First of all, this video is for your entertainment and education purposes only. So I want to record some live trading in Sim. I'm not going to trade Apex today. I worked last night and I'm a little tired. So see if this afternoon session is going to give us anything. Alright, I got in a long in this area. Kept fighting the previous day's high and this Globex overnight high. I thought we were going to break through it. I failed to realize I had 3 stop signs here. I should have got out of it. But anyway, I took a little hit on it when it came back down. I got short. So I'm back to the positive. So we're going to see what's going to happen. See what we're going to do from here. We're stuck between that pivot and the previous day's low. This is also minus SD1 on VWAP. Here's VWAP minus SD1, minus SD2, and minus SD3 at the bottom. I just had some trend lines drawn earlier. This move happened pretty quick. I actually didn't get, I should have got in here at the VWAP and the 50, but I didn't get in until down here. Alright, I'd like to see us reject this pivot and I'll go short again. We just have to be careful because this SD minus SD1 is holding. You can see here. And we held again here. Alright, we're still waiting. Not seeing much action going on right now. I still would like to see a rejection at this pivot. We look at the 10 range chart. Also look at the 10 range in the 1 minute. The 8s and the 20s cross below the 50. You know, we're lined up for a short. So let's see what happens here. Alright, we're still consolidating.
ES reversing.
Looks like now we might be wanting to head back up. So let's see what happens here. So I got my dots. Don't have an arrow yet to go long. Let's clear this background up. Let's see.
ES reversing.
Alright. See if I got the arrow on the 10. I got it. Tell you what, let's go.
Order filled.
Let's try it. My only concern is this 200 right here, but we blew through it earlier, so if not, I'm gonna get out of it. And then the 50 also. I do like price to go through the 50 and then come back and then take the long. May have jumped the gun on this a bit, but we'll see. I like to reject off the pivot. I'd like to have gotten in there about a point sooner. I missed my entry on the 10 range. Should have been 12.50. I'm in at 13.75, so I'm in a point and a quarter later than what I really want. So let's set my nut to 1,000. Alright, here we go. Alright, I'll come back in a minute. Alright, we're getting a little higher. I got up, I think, to about 150 in profit on this trade so far. Just moving slow. Not much movement in the market today. Could be because of that report coming out tomorrow. Who knows? Not really sure. Don't really care. Just gonna trade what we see. I'd like to at least get to my first 3 points. Target, I'd like to see 16. Here's the VWAP. Just need to be careful. One-minute chart looks good. 10 range. ES, NQ, and YM, or ES and NQ are bigger chart. 15-minute chart showing. Let's see what we got. Really, they kind of look funky, to be honest. Moved my stop, but I didn't follow through. Went 12 ticks exactly. Come on, I need that 13th tick to get that feel.
Target filled.
There we go. Need to get all the way up here to get 1,000, but I'm just gonna leave this here for now. ADX is turning up on the 1 minute. It's at 25.03. Getting a little hesitation here. I mean, we went right through the VWAP. I mean, I like that. We kind of just went through it. I mean, we may pull back, you know. Maybe we'll pull back and go, but we'll see. Second target's 5, and then the third target's 6 points, but I'll move the third part. I'll usually move the third target to some area that I want to target. Here's SD1. You know, we stopped here at the Globex overnight high, so that may give us some trouble, but we'll see. Should hit second target here where I need 1875. So I'm going to see 19s print. got 20 seconds left of this 1 minute bar. I'd like to see it go green. It's a little red or a doji right now. Alright, it printed red. See if this next bar will break it. And it just don't want to give us 19. Come on, 19s. Alright, we seem to be hesitating a bit. Reevaluate the situation. I think I'm going to pull my stop in a little closer. I don't want to give anything back. Come on, print them 19s.
Target filled.
There we go. Yeah, baby. So since another one came off, you notice that my nut adjusted. So I got to get to 40.25 to make my $1,000 target for the day. So the 15 ES, NASDAQ 15 is still showing longs. The ES did throw a short on that last 15-minute bar, but we'll see. Let's see, we got 3 minutes left on the 15-minute bar. Not going to give up too much profit here. What I'm going to do is I'm attach that stop to the 9 moving average here.
Stop filled.
Alright. So after commissions we're at 676 here. So we're close to our target. So we started redlining back here. Didn't get any dots on the trade, so this could be just a pull back to VWAP. Earlier, when I was long, I didn't pay attention because my 1597 and this chart here threw me the yellow dots. So that should have been a telltale sign that we may be changing directions. I didn't see it earlier, so anyway. So I got this little news indicator. Let me show y'all, called JT News, Cono News. I didn't know about this before. So let me fix something up on it real quick. Change some background colors. I couldn't see it. So anyway, FOMC member Williams speaks today at 2 p.m. low, and then tomorrow morning we got the PPI report 7:30 a.m. These times are I think Central Time. Now I have my chart set to Eastern Time. So anyway. Yeah, look, we're pulling back and going. Interesting. Yeah, I should let that 10 range bar close because it closed up to the positive, so might have jumped the gun on that trade. Got out a little too early. Take another entry if we break this. Break this 1950. If we print 1975, I'll get back in it. But you see how we just can't seem to get above that number right there. Let me look at book maps, see what they're showing on it. Yeah, 20's got a ton of orders. I say a ton. It's got 218. Alright, I'll pause it and come back in a minute. Alright, I did get back in this trade. I was watching the 1 minute and we got a break. Maybe just been a little fake out because it just actually broke up one tick. So, may have jumped the gun on that one. We'll see. Well, we broke it by 2 ticks now, so. I don't really need much. 1875 to 21 and a quarter. So, about 3.5 points. I see 1875, 1975, 2075, 2.5 points. I mean. This don't look really good, but we'll see. Ouch.
Stop filled.
So that's how you take $700 to 387. Just in case you was wondering. If you want to make half your money disappear. Alright, I thought maybe we was going to get a continuation, but it didn't happen, so. Let's just look for another setup. So let's see what we're actually at. We're actually at 326.30 for the day. That's after commissions. Alright, I got in this short. This is probably going to be it for today. I'll show you my update on Apex and we'll call it a day after this. So what I'm going to do in my 50K accounts, I'm going to use the trade copy and I'm going to trade micros in the 50K account. And then in the 150K account, I'm going to do this setup with 3. First target off at 3, next target off at 4, then I'll have 6. But I'll move the 6. I mean, if I see potential for 10 points or whatever, I'll move it to the next target area. So. I'd like to see us get back down to that 4,009 area. I won't be taking the loss on this trade here. Don't hesitate, baby. Let's go. Interesting bar right there, too. It's interesting. 1450. Big wick right there. You just couldn't push through. Interesting.
Stop filled.
Boom. Still think we're going to go down. So if we close at 11 3/4, if we close at a pivot, I'm probably going to go ahead and break this area here. I'm going to go ahead and short it again. Guess I should have took my money and ran on that one. Alright, let me wrap this video up. So, here's what we got so far. I got 6 days of trading in the 150K account. Okay. This 150K account, I've got 55.93 in it. 6 days of trading.
ES reversing.
So,
ES reversing.
$3,600 left to meet the $159,000 target. These two, I don't know why they say January 1st, 2000. I opened them up yesterday on the 16th, so I haven't traded them. But my plan is when I trade my 150K account, I'm going to do some micros in these two, and I'll do a 2 for 1. So since I'm trading 3 contracts here, I'll have 6 in each of these here. So anyway, all right, I'm probably going to go ahead and stay a little longer, probably another 30 minutes, and see if I can hit my 1K target. I know it's sim, but I haven't traded in a few days. I've been working on 11 nights straight, so let's see what happens. All right, guys, I'll keep you posted. Y'all have a good one. Later.